What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Like always, daily videos. Just to let you guys know, if I don't post for a day or something, not for a day, but for the day, it's because either I just didn't take a trade or yeah, that's basically it. Nothing else. Anyway, now today we traded. Okay, I was waiting for setups. Price was just chopping around, honestly. I didn't get a clear confirmation about anything. And then at 11:18, 11:15, 11:18, I got a setup and I took the trade. And I was pretty confident about the trade that I risked a little bit more, right? So I'll show you guys all of that. Let's start by showing you guys the P&L. So we made 4.1 on each account. So as of right now, we need one more day because we need 5 minimum days, so tomorrow, and we need another 4K to pass. So tomorrow, honestly, I'm willing to risk 2K for 4K and pass the accounts, while still respecting the rules and everything, but I'll be risking a little bit more if the setup is there, right? So yeah, this is the P&L, and I'll show you guys just more proof here. Account summary 4.1, right? If we go to orders, there's only this showing, right? So we can see 11:18 I entered a buy right there, and then by 11:21 I got my profit, right? So let's go check. 11:18 right there I entered, and 21 I got my profit. So anyway, let's start. So now normally I wouldn't be waiting all of this time. Like if I was on my real account, honestly, by 10:05, 10:10, I'm always out the market if there's nothing, right? But since I'm on eval, there's no point of dragging it, right? I didn't take any dump trades. I still waited. But yeah. All right. So before market open, what can I see? We have this buy side, sell side, sell side. What else can I see? We have those here. Let's go on the higher time frame. All right. We have this and this, which is on the 15-minute. This. All right. All right. Everything makes sense. Perfect. We have this right there. Let's go back into replay, or let's just leave it for now. All right. Market open. We didn't sweep nothing. I'm still waiting. We end up sweeping this sell side. So now we need to displace to see what's gonna happen. We displace lower. All right. We can remove this because we went all the way down here. From there, we just start chopping around. There's no real setup. We go back down. From there, I'm like, all right, this zone is no longer valid, and I'm still just waiting, right? I still get no setup. Honestly, there was a setup here. Let me put the line back. So here we are in a continuation to the downside until we sweep these. Then we'll check, are we in a reversal, which we got into a reversal later on, or we're gonna continue down, right? Right there, 958. We honestly got this gap that I could have taken, but if we just check and use, we just check and the candles, 935, we can see that price is not breaking through this low, right? So I ended up just not taking it and waiting. In a way, we got saved, unless we placed our stop loss here, but then it's a 1-to-1. But anyway, so I didn't take this just by, I guess, experience or whatever. So yeah, I was still waiting. We can remove this now. By then, honestly, I would have just been out the chart, but I was still looking. Here we ended up reversing, right? We reversed. I didn't get any setup. I got this setup right there, but I wasn't confident just in case we start reversing from this. So I was still waiting. I need clear confirmation. We ended up reversing back here again. We came back to this zone right there. Honestly, it's a lot of just shit today, but I'll just show you guys how I was thinking and everything, right? Like a lot of just, yeah. Anyway, 11, we go back down to these lows, and then we displace higher, showing a reversal. So now I'm like, all right, can we finally get a setup that I'm confident in? I marked these buy sides, right? And they were respected right there. I was waiting for a setup. Then right there, we got this little fair value gap. As I showed you guys at 11.18, I took the trade. Perfect. Right away, I entered. Stop loss was right there. It was 50 for 100. Like that. And yeah, by 11.21, got my full TP, and that was it. I was pretty confident in the trade, so that's why I risked way more. And yeah, I showed you guys one trade, and that was basically the trade. Am I proud of am I proud of this trade? Not really, you know. But like I said, since I'm on eval, there's really no point of dragging it. Let's be honest, guys. Monday, Tuesday, I had winning days, right? Even though I didn't trade Monday. If I were to just risk 2K for 4K Monday and Tuesday, my account would already be passed, and I just need 3 remaining days, like, of me trading $1 to just, pass the accounts. But now, I got a win, I got a loss. I was at 1K only, and I already have 4 days out of the 5 traded, right? So yeah, I saw the setup here. I risked more, and that was it. As long as I don't take any stupid trades, even though this trade wasn't following my rules since I don't trade at this time, but as long as I take one trade that I'm pretty sure of, I'll be alright. Now again, if this was my real account, I would have had a no trading day and no video probably for today. Yeah. But yeah, as of right now, tomorrow, hopefully, we win. I'll be risking 2K, and yeah, we win. One trade, either we win, we lose. We win, all the accounts are passed. We lose, we'll be down 2K. I mean, it's gonna go to next week, and we'll see. I'll de-risk for sure, and we'll just check. Anyway, enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.